I would like to call Tonusri Devi Asha. She is an senior editor, but she is also a junior member in the club and in our university. I would like to ask her to share her experience through this journey to us.
Thank you, Nodiapu. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Tonusri, and I have worked as an associate editor in this December 2020 edition, and I really loved my job. So, as the review process had started with me and my team, we were truly amazed by seeing the quantity and quality of the submissions because different authors from different institutions, different universities had put their belief on us and had submitted their valuable write-ups. But due to our several policies and due to our conflicts, due to some conflicts with our author guidelines, we could not accept all of them. But yes, each and every paper is an asset for us. And after getting peer reviewed by our dedicated review team and after getting passed through our proofreading and formatting and language checking team, so we have got this 9 best articles and try to congratulate us too because this all paper. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
So I would like to congratulate us too because the whole paperwork and the editorial process and the reviewing process also enriched us because we also added new perspectives to our thoughts, and we hope the same for our readers too, because this is the main objective of our publication, to spread legal knowledge and to make contribution in legal advancement too. So that is the main purpose of our publication, and thanks to our honorable president sir, Taposh Kumar Das sir, our advisor ma'am, and all of the guests for being present here with us. That's all. Enjoy the ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you, Tonusri. I also like to share that she was the team lead of the plagiarism check, which is the first stage filter for the write-ups to pass through the review board. So first of all, we had to send all the write-ups to her and her team to get the plagiarism check. And after her approval, we would have sent the write-ups to the review board. Thank you, Tonusri, for your hard work. We truly acknowledge your hard work. Now, I would like to ask Sumaya Tasnim Khea. She is also a junior, but still a senior editor in the club, and she was the team lead of the proofreading team. Now, I would like to ask her to share her experience with us.
Thank you, Nodiapu. Good evening, everyone. It's an honor to be present with you all here in this event. I am Khea, an executive member of the Jahangirnagar University Law Society Writing Club and one of the senior editors of this issue. And I worked as the head of the proofreading team with Meghomala Meghosri, Abir Hassan Onanto, Ummejuraya Shoiti, Nusrat Jahan Rodon, and Laisa Hussain as my teammates. To me, proofreading is one of the most enjoyable aspects and also one of the most important ones while editing a piece for publication. That is truly a subjective opinion because objectively speaking, every part of editing is equally important. Working for this issue has been an educating yet pleasant experience for me. The credit goes to my teammates. They have been amazing. They have been meticulous and timely for their submission. And that's all our team leader can ask for. That's a dream come true for every team leader. I am so grateful for both my teammates and the opportunity the club has given me. And I hope to take this enthusiasm with me to next year and continue learning and working with the club. Thank you very much. Hope you have a good evening.
Thank you, Khea, for sharing your experience, which was actually amazing to see your team working so efficiently and so quickly, because it was, I think, the first team that didn't actually took much time. Rather, they were much more faster than the deadline because they submitted their work within 1 day only, while actually we assigned them 2 or 3 days. So thanks for being so first and so quick, and also very thank you and congratulations to your team. Now I would like to ask our another senior editor and the team lead of formatting team, Nusrat Jahan Mim. She was also responsible for the global editing, that is said. Actually, it was all part of editing. So I would like to hear from her, and let's give her the floor.
Thank you, Nuriapu. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So after it came from the proofreading team, we actually received the write-ups and checked all the formatting and language proofreading that it required according to the author guideline. And then I was actually responsible for the global editing with my other teammates. And at one point it got really hard because we had to check that if there is any hate speech or any derogatory statement towards any community or any kind of negative thing that it reflects through the writing. So we had to go through every line to check that if there is anything that should not be actually in any kind of bulletin or any kind of platform. So after checking that, we sent that back to the managing editor, and the managing editor then proceeded with other formalities. At this part, if I can mention the junior editors who were working with me, they are Sayyida Rukaiya binte Imam Tunaz, Ashikur Rahman Bappi, Orpasha Puja.